So the small thing here.
Hello. Good evening to everybody. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. It is audible? Yeah. Today, first important concept in aware PLSQL, I will tell you. Very interesting, very important topic. In a previous class, one thing I'm telling only, anybody not attending a previous class means observe it here. If you want to declare a variable means variable name, data type. Okay. Yeah. Next, if you want to assign the value, storing a value into variable means assignment operator colon equal to is there. Yesterday small concept I'm telling. First time no small concepts. Again, a display I want a message or variable value means something is there, or maybe DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line something only. But this is only we are allowed to use in an executable section or exception section. Okay, fine. Message means single quotes. Variable means direct variable. Up to now variable we are not displaying. Okay, yeah. But unfortunately, what is the problem? When we are using a DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line, we are displaying a what message. It does not display into where SQL plus tool. If you want to display that message into SQL plus tool, then your environment setting, your environment variable, we are using a what server output on only. Then only can retrieve the data from buffer into where yes, that SQL plus tool. Up to that one we are discussing in a previous class. Okay, yeah. Anybody doesn't know anything means okay, maybe previous classes they are not attending means just refer a what in a net or anything. Otherwise, in a video classes you have to refer it enough. Okay, yeah. Now today concentrate here. Now here observe it here practically. Slowly one by one I'm telling rules based only. We are telling all the things. Now check it out. This is first only I'm telling you, I'm typing a what set server output on. Why? Because maybe each and every time so many programs having a DBMS underscore output is there. But that's why each and every time not required to use. First only we are setting an environment enough set space DBMS underscore output purpose. Okay, server output. Anybody attending yesterday means they have an idea. No, set server output on. Okay, now here. Now onwards in a programs we are writing a DBMS underscore output. There is no problem. Okay, yeah. Okay, in a recorded videos means they are giving a later. Don't worry. Okay, so no management giving. Okay, after the 4 or 5 days. Okay. And now observe here. Now concentrate. Slowly observe it here. One by one. Observe it here. Very interesting. Suppose declare easy concept today. I'm telling, but important. In a declare section, I'm interested to declare a variable. How can I? So now here, yes, variable name first, then only data type. Okay, na? Yeah. So now yesterday I'm telling you A or B or anything, number like this, or varchar to anything. Then easy, memory is allocated for that variable. Okay, fine. Slowly observe here. Yes, here. Memory is allocated for this variable. Now check it out. Now here. Begin. Okay, fine. Begin means this is a keyword. Okay, na? Yeah. After begin, whatever you are writing, that is executable section. In this variable, I want to store a outside data. In a data, I want to store in a where in this variable. Suppose 80 or 90. Yesterday, I'm telling you, this is I want to store into where yes, data into where this variable. Okay, fine. Now, how can I variable name colon equal to means assignment operator. Outside data we are storing means in a occasion of user enter value anything occasion of your colon equal to assignment operator. Here 80 or 90 or anything like this. Same syntax in a way, same like a normal language. This right hand side value automatically store it into left hand side variable. Okay, fine. Here like this only. This is storing. Now I want to display this value. For example, simple. Yesterday, 3 steps are there. No, that one I'm using. Now, how can I miss DBMS underscore output is a package is there dot put underscore line only. Okay, na? Yeah. Here variable name A like this. Here single quote not required. Why? Because this is a variable. No? Variable value I want to display means yesterday. Something I'm telling is without single quote variable name. Okay, na? Yes, here end semicolon. Okay, how much easy program. And now here I'm not saving up to some stage only. Just run this program, practice purpose. Run means slash. In a previous class, I'm telling you not here. AET is displayed. Okay, fine. How much easy this one. Now today table data also we are retrieving. First I'm telling only now, but unfortunately, so many fellows having a doubt. Murali sir, you are assigning a value in a where in a only executable section. Can we assign the value in a declare section? Possible, possible. Then what happened? What is that one means? I will tell you. First, write it a what this one. This small program, write it. Some concept I'm telling through this one. Without saving only. Okay, just the practice purpose. No, typing is very important to some stage. Steps are open already. I'm giving no, yeah, here this one not required. Yesterday, how many? Yeah, write in this small program. Completed. Okay, na? Finished. Yeah. Now slowly observe it here. Very interesting. Slowly I'm telling. Why? Because this is the first important concept today. That's why slowly I'm telling. Now check it out. Concentrate. Concentrate here. Suppose so many fellows having a doubt. Murali sir, you are telling a what? This one is a what? Here only. Now here. Observe it here. Now here only we are assigning the value in executable section. Executable section only we are assigning a value into variable. But can we assign the value into variable in a declare section? They're asking. Yes, possible. Same like a front end C, C++, Java, these type of languages side, whenever we are declaring a variable also, we are assigning a value is possible sometimes or not. Yes, here. That's why declare section also, we are assigning a value, so many languages side possible. Same technique here also possible. Here I don't want to assign the what in a where in executable section. Executable section means begin and end. I want to assign the value in a declare section. Possible. But some other rules are there whenever constant, whenever, okay, some other not null keywords are there. That is next class side. But first initial stage, anywhere also, we are assigning the value possible. Here also colon equal to, we are using possible only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose here also we are assigning the value. Here also we are assigning the value. Your own wish. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now I'm interested to assign the value in a where declare section. Okay, fine. Here comment means here double hyphen is there, but that is not required up to some stage. Just remove this one. I try to assign the value here colon equal to. Okay, na? Yes, here. Here 80 or 90 or anything possible. At the time of variable creation also, we are declaring what we are assigning the value possible. Anywhere also we are assigning the value possible. But observe here, and now concentrate here. This is possible also. Something I'm asking only, that we are telling only, then we are using something. Okay, write it. Another example, this is a small example. Fastly write it. Then I'm telling what beautiful concept through this one. SQL. First initial stage, anywhere also we are assigning the value, either declare section or executable section. Okay. Yeah. Okay, na? Why I'm telling about this one? Not for this purpose. This is everyone knows. Some other reason is there. Now check it out. Concentrate. Very interesting. Anybody attending a what yesterday class? What I'm telling, slowly observe here. Here DBMS underscore output I'm telling or not? Yes. This one through we are displaying a what message I'm telling. Okay, fine. Or variable value. First message, concentrate. If you want to display the messages, we are using a DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, but unfortunately, what the rule means that that package we are using in a very executable section after begin keyword. Observe here. After begin keyword, we are using a what? This one in a very executable section of the PLSQL block. Here, yes, yesterday they are giving a what nodes or not in executable section of the PLSQL block or exception section of the PLSQL block. I'm telling or not? Yes, here. Executable section means begin keyword after we are using only. But today observe here. Suppose some interviewer asking, I want to display in a message in a declare section. How can I? There is a question mark. I want to display a message in a declare section. How can I? They're asking. How can I means not possible really. Why? Because in a declare section, we are not allowed to use in a where DBMS underscore output package. But why interviewer asking that one DBMS underscore output package not allowed to use in a declare section also? Can we display what messages so possible in a where in a declare section? They're asking why they're asking that question means not possible really. Why they're asking me some other concept you are telling or not, check it out purpose. Display messages are not possible in a where declare section. Why? Because here declare section we are not allowed to use DBMS underscore output package. Also some interviewer asking what can we display a messages in a declare section? Reason is there. Okay, so now why they're asking this intro question means we are unable to display any messages also. One message is possible. One message is possible. DBMS underscore output we are not allowed to use. But another way means possible. One message is possible. What is that one means? Anybody SQL there good means in SQL languages side one operator is there. What is the operator? What is the operator? Very good. Ampersand operator. Observe here. Ampersand operator. Ampersand means a substitutional operator. I am telling in SQL or not. Whenever we are using a word, this substitutional operator, a predefined message is displayed. What is that message? Only that one only possible. Enter now. Enter value for. This is possible. Observe here. That's why this is they want only. Why? Because this is regularly user entered value display message in a PLSQL. Regular. That's why can we display a message in a where declare section? No, not possible. Really, why? Because DBMS underscore output we are not allowed to use. But any other chance is there to display a message means one chance is there, only one message. There is a predefined message that is enter value for, that is how it is displayed means ampersand operator we are using, then only possible. That's why in a SQL side, anybody attending a what a first initial stage, SQL means now here insert data, yes, insert into some commands we are telling or not. First initial stage, I am telling only anybody attending a what SQL classes, they well-known persons. In that case, insert statement, I am telling in that insert statement, substitutional operator, I am telling or not. Yes, here substitutional operator means ampersand. Now this ampersand we are using means one predefined message is generated. We cannot change this message, impossible. Enter value for, okay na? Same ampersand operator we are using in a PLSQL possible. Okay na? Yes, here either declare section or executable section anywhere. But unfortunately here anybody asking about declare section I want to display message means only one choice. Observe here, screen observe here. Now DBMS underscore output not allowed to use in a declare section. That's why if you want to interested in a message means only one message is possible. That is what ampersand I'm using. ampersand, suppose here A means enter value for A. Suppose here, okay, so now ABC, I am writing means enter value for ABC. That's a message, no? Any message, your understandable purpose. A means not a variable, just which message you want to interested to display, that one, okay? Na? Yes, I'm using ampersand means automatically, yes, here enter value for A, it will display or not, simple. Now 80 we are entering means 80. Okay, so now here 90 we are entering means 90. Okay, so now 60 we are entering means 60. Like this only. Now here enter value for it will display or not. 50 we are entering means 50. Like this is there or not. That's why if you want to interested to display a what message, only one chance only. Ampersand operator we are using. By slowly repeatingly that one I am asking me is so that one I am telling me is that based only today so much of concepts are there. Write it this one. Another example, this small examples. Oh, maybe I want to display a message in a declare section, only one chance. Ampersand. There is no other way. Okay, na? Yeah. Executable section means message, not worry. That is the DBMS underscore output is there, no any message. Can you use executable section in a way is this ampersand possible? But declare section I want. Hello, all are completed this one. Hello, completed this program? Fastly write it. Yeah. Now up to now, very slowly I'm telling based on this one only, you are telling now onwards, very interesting, different totally. And now based on this knowledge up to now, maybe everyone understandable because I'm slowly I'm telling, observe here. Based on this knowledge, enter value for something is there, no? Same like a C language, Java, .NET, one program I'm writing only, that the program output through same practice purpose, maybe how you are writing about same outputs you want in a where PL SQL, how can I, you are only tell me, enough. Only one thing is enough. Now check it out, concentrate here. Ampersand here, an idea, not enter value for based on this knowledge. I am writing about C language program output or Java.NET in output, same outputs I want to display, same way I want to write a PLSQL. How can I? Tell me enough. And now here, don't read it, 5 minutes only. And now check it out. Suppose in a C language, for example, everyone knows C language programs only. Yes, they're writing some coding, for example, just entertainment purpose. Whenever they are okay, so now writing about some coding, printf, scanf, something is there, no? One of these days printf they are writing, that's why output it will be displayed a what like this. Whenever running that program is enter value for A. Observe here, enter value for A, it will be displayed. For example, printf they are writing and scanf through we are reading only. Okay, again another message, simple A plus B values, small program. And now here I want this one only, enter value for B, it will be displayed. For example, okay, fine, printf statement they are writing, scan it through there, then automatically then total is okay. So now suppose here total means A plus B value, C is total, C is, for example, I want to display what a message only printf side here, total C is okay. So now C means A plus B value. Okay, fine. Suppose here I want to display like this. Now here A I'm entering a what 5. Suppose here B I'm entering a what 4. Then A plus B value here 9. I want to display like this only. So that's why here same outputs, same whatever outputs are there. Enter value for A, enter value for B, summation. Yes, total sum is other, total C is okay. So now I want to display here the summation. I want to display means I'm writing a one program, either Python, either Java, either okay C or anything. The same like a what this format, outputs format format only I want to display in a where PLSQL. Suppose you are a first time newcomer PLSQL. In a PLSQL, how you are writing this program? Tell me fast, very easy. Suppose practice purpose, just entertainment purpose. Now observe here. Now here check it out. PLSQL side. How can I fast? Anybody attending yesterday class means they are telling very good. Everyone telling a what? Which one? Yes, correct. Declare. Okay. Yes, declare. Okay, fine. Declare keyword. Again, after declare keyword, just we are using a what? Very good. Yes, one fellow is telling correct. Now here A is a variable, correct. Here a data type, very good. Up to now, okay. In a declare section, DBMS underscore output is not there. That's why colon equal to. I want to display this message, enter value for a predefined message. Then we are using a what? Which operator? Very good, correct. Ampersand operator, correct. Ampersand, very good, correct. Here ampersand A, we are using only, very good, correct. Enter value for A, it will display or not? Very good. One fellow is telling correct, 100%. Now next, tell me B, very good, same thing, B, line by line only. Okay, so now single line not possible. Now here, yes, B number like this only, colon equal to. Again, we are using a what? Assignment operator means colon equal to, no? Yes, here ampersand operator. Okay, fine. Here also ampersand operator we are using only. And now here, yes, B. Why? Because ampersand means enter value for B, it will display. Okay, fine, correct. Suppose here C is a variable I want only in a where summation A plus B I want in this small program. Very good. Sam, tell me, convert this C program into PLSQL fast. C number, very good, correct, semicolon. Now I'm interested in a executable section. I'm writing only. Now otherwise here we declare section also calculation begin. Now tell me how can I fast? Very good. Yesterday knowledge based only, so many fellows are telling very good, correct. Here C, now here colon equal to which one? A plus B, very good, correct. A plus B only, 100% correct. This A plus B summation total, no? Yes, here value store it into where? C variable only, very good. This assignment operator yesterday I'm telling you, no. Now the value is available in where? Available in where? Yes, C variable only. Now I want to display that one. How can I display? Very good. Tell me fast, which one? Very good, correct. 100% DBMS underscore output dot here. Put underscore line only. Here we are using a what? Which one? Where the value is available? C. Very good. C like this only. And now last only we are using a what? Which one? And which one? And which one? Semicolon. Very good. Anybody? Okay, so now if you are writing a what? These type of program is no use. Don't try to write a what? These type of entertainment programs in a where? PLSQL. Okay, your writing is working, but I am not preferring a what? These type of programs only. These type of programs you are writing means go for C, C++, Java, .NET, Python, any language in the worldwide. Now I am not preferring in a PLSQL side these programs. Why? Because PLSQL is a most powerful database server language. Database server language means data is retrieved for data from the where most of the time from the database, from the tables. That's all. This program also working because this is outside data. Outside data means this is a what variable is there. Outside data we are storing means here we are using a what colon equal to operator. Colon equal to is there outside data. But unfortunately this data is a table. In a table data is there. Then that data how can I retrieve? That is important. That's why my intention is always Oracle database, SQL Server database, DB2 database means table data. Here table only data is there. This table data suppose 50 or 60 in this database table only the data is there. I want to retrieve the data from the table and store it into where? Yes, this PLSQL variables means colon equal to is not working. Another concept is there. What is that one? That is the first important concept only. What is that one? Select into clause, most powerful. That is the first concept only. That purpose only this class. Observe here. Select into clause we are using only. This program is working. Colon equal to means outside data. I don't want like this. Most of the time I want to retrieve the data from table. Table data we are retrieving and store it into variable means colon equal to operator, assignment operator is not working. In that case, select into clause is there. That is we are learning only. Most powerful. That is a first important concept. That's why up to now slowly I'm telling only. Now very important concept. First important concept in a where? In a PLSQL. That's why in a PLSQL in a feature syllabus is there. PLSQL introduction means first point is what? First concept select into class. This is the first important concept. How much important means today you are understandable. Write it. Side heading. Select ... into class. Select into class. Select into class not there in every SQL. Okay, this is a PLSQL side. Select into class. Very interesting. Put a star, most powerful. Very important, this one, select into class. This is the first important concept. And what is select into class means? First observe it here. Suppose, slowly I'm telling why, because here also so many things are there. This is a PLSQL is there. Okay, fine. In a PLSQL. In a PLSQL, variable is there. For example, in this variable, I want to store outside data. So now here outside some data is there. This data I want to store, this variable means in a PLSQL, you are writing a what coding, which one, colon equal to operator enough, colon equal to 80 or 90 or anything means that is storing a what like this. But not a outside data. I don't want to store a what in this variable outside data. Suppose the data is available in a where, the data is this is a PLSQL variable is there. Now the data is available in a database. Okay, fine. Within a database. Now within a database, this is a Oracle database is there. In this Oracle database, your table format only data is there or not? Already SQL side, you have an idea tables. Okay, fine. This is a table is there, EMP, DPD. Some tables are there, no? Yes, practice purpose. Otherwise, our tables. In this table only, in that column only, this data is there, for example. This data I want to fetch from the where table and store it into where this PLSQL variable means we are not allowed to use in a colon equal to operator failure in this case. Here assignment operator failure. In this case, we are using a what? Which one? Retrieve the data from the where table and then the data store it into where this variable means we are using a what? A new class only. What is that class? Select, yes, into class only. Select into class. And now here select into class through, we are storing a value into where this variable, then we are processing y on what is that one. I will tell you. Okay, fine. Yes, here. That's why what is select into class? Anybody asking me, select into class is used to fetch data from the where? Table. And then the data is stored it into PLSQL variables. Okay, na? Yes, here. What type of data? What is that one? I will tell you. Write it some theory first. Practically very interesting. So many things are there. So many things. Okay. Slowly write it. Write it some theory. Select dot write it. Select into class. Select into class is used to. Select into class is used to retrieve data. Retrieve data from table and then that data and then the data is store it into PLSQL variable. So many variables are there. Okay. RSM is different, some other data is different. Variable. Okay, na? Yeah. Practically you are understandable. Okay, na? Yes. Now 5 minutes, concentrate now onwards. Key concept is there. That's why slowly I'm telling. Important concepts always I'm interested in aware. Slowly I'm telling. Now observe 5 minutes, 5 minutes concentrate. Here something is there. Okay. Suppose, very interesting. Now check it out. This is a key concept. First time newcomer side, very important. Now concentrate. What is the key concept means? Observe it here. Here slowly observe it here. This is a EMP table is there. Maybe SQL Scott schema side, SQL language side, already have an idea. EMP is a practice table. Oracle Corporation giving in a Scott schema or not? Yes. For example, through that table, easily understandable. EMP is a table is there in our Oracle database side. For example, okay, fine. Slowly observe it here. Very interesting. Something is there here. Here in EMP table, employee number column is there. So many columns. Okay, employee number column, e-name column, salary column. So many columns are there. For example, okay, fine. The database. Here, some data is there, number of rows are there. Slowly observe here, some data I'm taking because practically very important this one. Suppose roughly, okay, 7369 is a employee number, Oracle Corporation giving maybe this employee name is Smith only, capital letter is there, small letter I'm writing. Okay, fine. Salary is 800. Slowly observe here. Again, 7566 here, Jones is an employee like this only here. And now here some salary is there. For example, like this, some data is there. Again, 7902, here Ford is an employee. So now here like this, some data is there. For example, okay, fine. This is the way some data is there. Okay, fine. This is a database table. Now observe here. Now this is a PLSQL. Slowly observe here. Something is there. Already I'm telling you this is very important. Enough PLSQL is there. In a PLSQL, here, for example, here, these are the variables are there. A is a variable. Slowly observe here. Okay, fine. Here B is a variable, okay, C is a variables are there. For example, diagrammatically imagination here, B is a variable and C is a variable is there, for example. These are the three variables are there. For example, okay, fine. Concept understandable purpose. Now in a variable, B variable, C variable, in a PLSQL language side, outside data I want to store means very easy. Outside data means, suppose here 101 I want to store means A colon equal to operator we are using. Outside data means here like this only, this data is storing a what? Here 101 like this, okay, fine. Again, B say in a character means B colon equal to C colon equal to like this we are writing. That is everyone knows. Outside data means colon equal to like this. That is everyone knows. But I don't want outside data. Today, I want this table data and I want to store it into where? This variable. Again, I'm repeating where because something is there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose practically I want here employee number column is there. No, just tell me, observe here. Yes, employee number column here, employee numbers are there or not. Suppose what is my requirement today? These all employee numbers, 3 employee numbers are there. No, these all employee numbers I want to retrieve and what table data. I want to retrieve this table data, employee numbers in this example. These 3 employee numbers I want to retrieve from the table and store it into where? These variables. This variable I want to store some number. This variable I want to store this employee number, this variable I want to store this employee number. Then we are using a what? Colon equal to possible or not possible? Very good, not possible. Why? Because this is a table data. That's why colon equal to is not possible. Now these all employee numbers from this table into where? Store it into where? These variables means then we are using a what? Which clause? Very good. Which clause we are using? Very good. Selector. Very good. Selector. Which one? Into clause. Anybody telling like this means blunder mistake. Select into clause is not working. What is this one? That's why slowly I'm telling. Now what is this one? Now here. Now only Murali sir telling a what? Yes, sir, table data means select into class. Again, suddenly, okay, so now this one slowly, repeatingly, I'm telling also again select into class not working. I'm telling only why means reason is there. Observe here. Select into class does not retrieve multiple values from a single column at a time. Impossible. Multiple rows at a time, impossible. Multiple rows you want to retrieve, and now here, yes, at a time, then we go for cursor. Some other concept is there. Next chapter, cursor is there. Most powerful concept. But select into class only some type of data only it will be retrieved. Which type of data is retrieved? Only, not a multiple values from a single column, not a multiple records only. Impossible. Only select into class retrieve. Very important. Screen observed. Retrieve single record means horizontal. Single record at a time. This one. This is a single record. No, this is a single record at a time or single value at a time from a table. That is important. Most powerful. That's why banking application side account number is a primary key is there. That unique identification of the record in that project side, always procedure side, select into class they are using in a PLSQL side. Why means always primary key unique identification of the record is there or not. That's why single record at a time is retrieved by the where, okay, select into class. Multiple records retrieve means select into class is failure. Then we are using cursor. Another concept is there. Don't worry, next chapter side. Single record or single value at a time, it will be returned. That is the default nature of the where select into class. What is the default nature of the select into class? Select into class always retrieve single record or single value at a time from a table. That is important. Multiple records means another concept is available, most powerful. Observe here. That's why in a future, next chapter side, multiple records means cursor is some other concept is there. What is a memory area? Multiple records. We are processing only something is there. But here, this is the first initial basic primary key column based only on now here concept only. That is what a select into clause. Select into clause always returns single record or single value at a time. That is, keep it in mind. Very, very important. That so many times I'm repeating. Write it. The theory, write it. Then practically you are understandable. Write it. Select into clause is a key concept. Select dot dot dot. Write it. Select into clause always returns single record or single value. These programs we are writing single value at a time from a table. Single record or single value at a time from a table. Okay, now everyone underline single record. Record means horizontally. Anybody SQL language they have an idea means primary key based only single record is there. No? Yes, single record or single value, underline it at a time. Underline this one. On program I'm writing means then beautifully you are understandable. Very important that program. Single record or single value. Okay, na? Yeah. Finished. Now concentrate here. What is the syntax Oracle Corporation giving means that syntax daily we are changing. But today, understandable purpose, what I am telling, observe here, don't write it, 1 minute only. Select we are using, later star, later functions also available. But today, number of columns we are telling, number of columns, column names, which column data you want to retrieve that one. Here, into is a class. Here variables, recently we are starting a variable, no? Variable name 1, comma, variable name 2, in a number of variables also. Okay, so now variable name 2 only in a number of variables. From table name, where condition is an optional, that is practically we are learning. Where condition single record only, it will be written. That is multiple records again we are writing means it won't work. Now here, this is at least first time newcomer purpose, this syntax, write it. Daily we are changing, you know, here column value is store it into this variable. First time newcomer side, here this column value is store it into where this variable like this. Okay, now this is the way syntax, write it fast. Select number of columns into number of variables from table name where condition. That's practically your understanding. Okay, this arrow operator arrow mark also write it. Why? Because first time no. Where we are using a what this select statement declare section? No, here declare begin exception and is there? No, yes, here in a begin after only they are using. That is why okay, executable section of the PLSQL block in a where begin section is there? No, here. In this part only we are using a what here this select into class. Write it. Some theory, write it. I'm writing the program is easily understandable, very interesting. Write it. This select into class, this select into class is used in executable section of the PLSQL block. This select into clause is used in executable section of the PLSQL block. Select into clause only primary key based only they are designing, don't worry, okay? Multiple records means some other concept they are designing like that. Finished up. Select into clause is used in executable section of the PLSQL block. Now onwards, everyone concentrate 5 minutes only, at least 5 minutes today. Don't disconnect, only 5 minutes at least. Fastly, I will tell you. Fine. This is the first important program I'm designing only. This program daily in our classes, so many times I'm changing. That's the first program I'm interested to tell very slowly. Observe here, concentrate here, concentrate here. 5 minutes at least today. What is my requirement means select into class based only. Suppose this is a table is there. Slowly observe here, EMP table based. I'm interested to tell. Very interesting. Something is there. This is a table is there. Maybe anybody good at what Scott schema tables, EMP, DEPT like that. Yeah, some fellows are attending SQL classes. They have an idea, but anybody newcomers means just refer those tables 1 or 2 days. Okay, yeah. Now observe here in this EMP table, employee number is a primary key. Unique values are there. Duplicate data is not there. That's why some requirement I'm asking means that requirement is suitable in a select into class. Suppose whenever user entered employee number is there, then corresponding employee name and salary I want to retrieve. This is called single record. Single record at a time possible or not? Yes. Suppose in a bank account number you are passing in a Java program through, now here yes your input parameter, then corresponding okay the account holder name and balance only I want to retrieve into where from the database into Java program is, then procedure within that one select into class they are writing in a PLSQL. That much of powerful this one. Because the account number means duplicate data is not there or not unique values. That's why here suppose you are entering a what in a employee number means I want to display now here yes name of the employee and his salary from the where yes table. Observe here what is my requirement today. I am writing a what one program. Observe here whenever I am writing a what this PLSQL program I want to display some message. Observe here message. Today ampersand we are using enter value for number. I want to display some message. Employee number means employee number. Whenever I'm entering a what some employee number like this, control goes to where okay so in a table only in a table. In this table okay whatever employee number I'm entering, then corresponding employee name and salary I want to retrieve, because salary means you are remembering only easy. That's why I'm taking only here I want to display corresponding employee name and salary. This is the so now here yes employee name and salary only. This is a single record. You are observing or not? Single record from the table. Okay, fine. This single record you are retrieving at a time is select into class we are using. Suppose here another employee number I am entering, for example. Okay, practically I am showing those all the things. Then automatically in that employee number corresponding employee name is there. Yes, here that employee name and salary I want to retrieve. Maybe any salary is there in a table. This is also single record. Record means horizontal. Like this possible or not? Yes. That's why this is a requirement I want. Then how you are writing the what program? That is important. Write it first program. Write it. Write a query Q. Write a observe here. Write a PLSQL. Write a PLSQL program. Write a PLSQL program for user entered employee number. For user entered employee number means EMP number is there. For user entered employee number, then display EMP table, then display name of the employee, name of the employee means e name is there, don't worry. Name of the employee and his salary from EMP table, and his salary from EMP table. First, this query, write it, very important. Don't disconnect only, I will tell you. Okay, na? Write a PLSQL program for user entered employee number, then display name of the employee and his salary from EMP table. Don't disconnect, 5 minutes, concentrate. Okay, na? Yeah, 5 minutes, fastly, I'm telling only, don't worry, time is over also. Now check it out, concentrate here, concentrate. How I'm telling is different totally. And now check it out, concentrate here. Suppose whenever this query I'm reading it 2 or 3 times, then I am imagination is important. Output imagination in a programmer point of view, very important. Suppose they are asking about user entered employee number. That's why, oh, maybe I'm imagination. Yes, whenever I'm writing the program, I want to display this message, enter. Okay, so now enter value for yes employee number, like this only I want to display. Whenever I'm entering a what, some employee name, maybe that employee name of the employee is there in a where name column, in a very EMP table, column names you are familiar, and salary is there. This is the way output, some outputs only. Oh, maybe I want to display this message and I am entering a what employee number, then automatically corresponding record I want to display from the table. That is I'm imagination. Okay, fine. Don't write it anything today. Now observe here, now onwards. How I'm a good programmer means, how I'm writing a what program is, observe here, concentrate here. Go to SQL prompt, don't write it here, declare. Okay, fine. Here, whenever I'm writing a PLSQL program, block structure only, declare is a keyword is there. In this declare keyword, I am thinking of what, yes, here name I want to store, and salary I want to store, and employee number I want to store. Then 3 variables I'm thinking. That is the worst programming area. Why? Because 3 variables are not required. Only 2 variables are enough. And now here, why? Because here user entered value we are not required to store. That is the ampersand operator. That's why here output values, processed values enough. That's why here whatever the workers messages or employee names or salaries, those data we have to display. That one we are using enough. That is a 4 is an employee name. Some employee name I want to store. Some variable is required. Salary I want to store. Some number, sorry, some variable is required only for storing a what output values. 2 variables are enough. Don't write it. How you are declaring a variable here? Don't write it here. Here A is a what variable. Here I want to store a what, maybe employee name. That's why here I'm declaring a variable in a previous classes based only where cat to I'm using SQL side, where cat to data type you have an idea, not yes character side, yes semicolon. Again line by line here B, and now here yes a number, because salary I want to store means number, like this I'm declaring. Now whenever I'm writing a what this program, yes really this program is working, I'm agree, but unfortunately I am a good programmer, you are a good programmer means don't prefer a what like this only. These names nobody interested, A, B, C, nobody interested. Why? Because what is the problem? This program I'm writing today, son of here, yes, in my project only, I'm working in some days only, I'm resigning a job. Whenever I'm resigning a job, whenever you are a newcomer, okay, so now you are debugging a what this program, you are confusing 100%. Why? Because what is A, what is B, you are not understandable, because A is related E name column, B is related salary, but maybe A is a column, E name related character data, any other character data also column is there, job is a character data is there in EMP table. Again, B is a number means not only salary, employee number and commission and department number and MGR. These are so many columns are there in a table. That's why confusing only. Again, we are middle of the project. Okay, so middle of the program, we are observing what is where, what is B. That like this means difficult. That's why you are a good professional in a Java, in a .NET, in a C language. So how we are using a naming conventions in a real-time projects. Same like in a where database project side, we are practicing a what a naming convention through me is easy, I think. Now here observe here so many programmers how they are interested to write a what these variables means these variables are related to where column related. That's why better to use column related names only. That's why so many fellows are practice purpose they are using a what according to my experience. Just variable means V underscore. Whereas okay, so now global variable means G underscore. Parameter means P underscore. They are writing not only underscore not required but just related names. That's why here I am writing a V underscore E name I'm writing. Oh, maybe whenever I'm writing not a V underscore E name, V E name also, V employee name also, anything. Okay, just the end user understandable purpose. This is E name only, E name related data. Yes, another user understandable, another developer understandable. Suppose Suppose here practice purpose I'm giving only like that. Suppose B is a variable related to where salary, V underscore salary I'm declaring. That is better. This e name and salary is a column related names or not. That's why, oh, maybe whenever I'm resigning a job also, man, you are debugging about this program, you are understandable. Oh, this e name column related value storing, a salary column related value storing, easily understandable, that purpose. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Otherwise, AB also first time, but I am practicing a what like this only. Why? Because first onwards we are giving a what naming conventions, generalized way practicing is better option. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Begin. Okay, fine. Now outside data, suppose here in this variable v underscore e name, outside data I want to store means my name Murali, I want to store means working. But unfortunately, I don't want to store a what outside data. I want to store a table data. Table data here e name, Ford and salary is available in table. Table data we are retrieving means recently we are learning a what? Select into class. Very good. Select into class. Don't write it here. Observe here. Select into class. How can I select here? Which column? Column names you are familiar. E name and salary. Everyone familiar in SQL side, EMP table side. Into is a class, not a from class. Here variables. What is the variable? V underscore e name, comma V underscore salary here. From a table. What is the table? Employee table. They are asking. EMP table is there. Where? Yes, employee number. Where? After where class? Column only. But user entered employee number. They are asking. You are observing or not? User entered employee number. They are asking. Employee number is equal to, not a colon equal to here. Comparison. Now here is equal to here. Yes, any employee number I'm typing means working. Why? Because whenever I'm executing a what this program, each and every time this employee number, salary, and the employee name only displayed. I don't want like this. Dynamic values I want. Dynamic value means enter value for is a message I want. Enter value for message I want means just today recently we are learning only which operator we are using, ampersand. Very good. After ampersand, so many fellows are thinking what column name only we are using. No, that is not a column name, just a message. Which message you want to display? Number means number like this. Suppose here in place of this number, yes, end user understandable purpose, employee I want to display means same message you are giving. Anything your own wish. After ampersand, whatever message you are displaying only, that is display purpose. That's all. That is not a column name. That is not a variable. That is keep it in mind. Suppose here, now here, yes, employee place just here number I am writing only. Here also number we are writing. That's why which date, which end user message you are interested to display to the end user, that message you are using only. That's all. That is not a variable. That's not a column name. Just you are interested only. Okay, now the data is available in a where? These variables. The data is available in a where? These variables. Now at least I want to display today that variable data. How can I display means in a previous class we are learning about DBMS underscore, observe here, DBMS underscore output DBMS underscore output dot put underscore DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line only. Here very important dangerous mechanism. Now yes, we are DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line we are using. So many fellows are Java, C++ programmers, how they are writing means, oh, now V underscore e name is there, comma they are writing V underscore salary they are writing means it won't work. It won't work. This is a dangerous mechanism. It won't work. Impossible. Same like a Java, C++, comma, anything directly we are writing, it won't work. Only this one is a single parameter. Yes, that is a problem. That's why anybody attending a what yesterday class, slowly I'm telling only, if you want to view package details means DSC we are using. DSC on our DBMS underscore output, I'm typing a what yesterday. Whenever I'm typing like this, automatically put underscore line is a procedure, it will display. In this procedure, only one parameter is there, not a number of parameters. Only one parameter. That is a problem. This syntax you are familiar, then only you are writing what programs properly. That much powerful. That's why first time newcomer here multiple values here, one parameter, two parameter, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, writing impossible. But how you are displaying what these two values means, simple technique is there. Yes, these two values are treated as a single value, then possible. How can I means anybody attending a what SQL classes? Yes, here okay, concatenation operator is there. Anybody have an idea? SQL classes side concatenation operator. That's why yes. Use multiple values treated as a what single value means concatenation operator. Why? Because put underscore line procedure having only one parameter, not a number of parameters. That's why syntax based only most powerful. And now here, that's why here we have to display what these two things in a where in a single line only means here concatenation operator, in a comma, in a space, anything I want to display here, open concatenation operator, close concatenation operator, here V underscore salary like this only. Now here end semicolon. First I'm telling time is one. And now here observe here, yes, end semicolon. Now I try to execute this one. Again, I'm telling you tomorrow, this one only. First, observe here. Now check it out. I try to copy this one. Now here, observe here. I try to execute. And now here, check it out. Here, I'm running this program. Enter value for number. It will display or not? Yes, here. Enter value for number. Whenever I'm entering a what, I'm an end user, I'm entering a what, an employee number. Automatically, yes, here, corresponding employee name and salary. Single record, it will be retrieved or not? Yes, simple. Now, again, I'm executing a what, this one. Yes, here, enter value for number. Again, I'm entering a what, 7566. Yes, automatically corresponding employee name and vocation of salary. Single record, it will be displayed or not? Old and new, don't worry. Here, single record information, it will be retrieved or not? Select into class. Again, I'm entering a what, vocation of here, yes, 7839, anything. Then automatically corresponding employee name, king and vocation of salary, it will be displayed or not? This is a single record retrieved from the where? Table. That's why I'm a experienced person. I know 7839 means king, 7566 means Jones, 7990. These employee numbers I know, but unfortunately I'm a end user. I'm not good at what these employee numbers or anything. For example, I am an outside person. I try to execute like this here 1111. I'm typing only 1111 employee number is available in EMP table. No, not available. In this case, error it will be retrieved only. Yes, in this case, requested data not available. In this case, ORA minus 1403 no data found, error is retrieved. That's why these errors I don't want. Why? Because so now these errors we are suppressing only and display plain text message. Yes, your employee does not exist. Then we are using a what? Exception handling. Whenever requested data not available, in that case, error it will be displayed only. These error numbers are not understandable by end users. That's why suppressing a what? These error numbers and error messages. Then we are displaying a plain text message. Then we are using a what? Exception chapter side exception handling mechanism only. Why this one I'm telling me? Suppose you are going to where any ATM center, you are inserting a what? ATM card. Unfortunately, okay, something is not available means then yes, ORA minus 1403 no data found, it will display means you are also, I am also customer means we are not understandable. The technical, we are afraid only. Now that's why in place of that one, insufficient funds is a message it will display means, oh, maybe end user understandable. That's why a technical error numbers and error messages place only suppressing those things, and a display plain text message means we are handling a what? Exceptions. Exception handling mechanism we are using only that much of powerful. Those all the things are available. Okay, na? Yes, here those all the things. Next we are learning only just idea purpose only, and now I am telling understood. Select into class always returns a single record or single value at a time. Okay, na? Yes, here these are all the things. Tomorrow I will tell you because time is not there, another class is there. Okay, so now here, yes, tomorrow this program again I'm explaining only this one, last only single parameter, that one explaining, and this one, and also some other concept I will tell you. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll continue. Tomorrow, maybe anybody SQL remaining small parties there, no, that is we have to attend in a where 4 o'clock. Okay, yeah. SQL remaining tomorrow not 4 o'clock. Okay, yeah. Already ID we are changing. Already I'm telling you. Tomorrow SQL remaining some concepts are there, no 5 o'clock by students only. Those persons are attending in a where 4 o'clock. Okay, yeah, very good. And this one also continuation. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. SQL 1 week. Sip.